I'm going to show you how you can stop the Custom Office Templates folder from showing up in your Documents folder. This shows up whenever you save something in Word or Excel or PowerPoint. And the reason that this is showing up is just based on the settings you have in PowerPoint, Excel, or Word. So if you want to change that, go into Options and down in Save. And under Save Presentations category, there should be a blank that says Default Personal Templates Location. This is where you can change this templates location to another location. For example, you can just put it right on the C drive or another folder if you have something else, and this just redirects it instead of having it saved in your Documents folder. Click OK. Delete this and start again. So now when I create a new PowerPoint example, save it to my documents, the Custom Office Templates folder doesn't show up here anymore. Now this was just an example with PowerPoint, but it also applies to Excel and Word document. You would do the same thing, which is to go into the options, look under Save, and it's going to be a different heading, but you find the line that mentions the templates location, and you can change that to another folder. I would appreciate a like or a comment if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.